has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Jones County, Lynn County, until 11:15 a.m. At 10:11 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Ryan to near Coggan to near Walker, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-sized hail. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Cedar Rapids, Anamosa, Marion, Hiawatha, Mount Vernon, Robbins, Center Point, Lisbon, Ely, Central City, Springville, Walker, Olin, Albanet, Cogwood, Bertram, Martell, Prairie Berg, Morley, and Toddville. This includes Interstate 380 between mile markers 20 and 34. Take cover now.
National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Johnson County in east central Iowa, southwestern Lynn County in east central Iowa, northeastern Iowa County in east central Iowa until 6:15 p.m. At 5:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Norway, or 9 miles northeast of Moreno, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by emergency management. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cedar Rapids, Coralville, North Liberty, Fairfax, Tiffin, Easterly, Walford, Swisher, Oxford, Shoeville, Amana, Lake McBride State Park, Middle Amana, Homestead, Cool Falls, Cosgrove, East Amana, S. West, Kent Park, High Amana, and Cedar Rapids Municipal Airport. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 230 and 238. Interstate 380 between mile markers 2 and 16. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. for the following counties: Iowa, Iowa. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Story County in central Iowa, southwestern Marshall County in central Iowa, north central Jasper County in central Iowa, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Berlin, or 8 miles northeast of Nevada, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by trained spotters have reported quarter to golf ball size hail. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include State Center, Baxter, Colo.
Massenbridge Natural Area in Carlton. Take cover now. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
So it became particularly poignant.
The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Pella County in central Iowa, southeastern Story County in central Iowa, southwestern Marshall County in central Iowa, central Jasper County in central Iowa, until 6:30 p.m. At 6:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Baxter, or 15 miles southeast of Nevada, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by trained spotters have reported up to 1.5 inch hail with the storm so far. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newton, Grinnell, Baxter, Rock Creek Lake, Iowa Speedway, Melbourne, Philly, Kellogg, Collins, Rhodes, Lambs Grove, Oakland Acres, Grinnell Regional Airport, Rock Creek State Park, and Newton Municipal Airport. This includes Interstate 80 between mile markers 164 and 181. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Jasper, Marshall, Pella, and Story. The National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Marion County in south central Iowa, eastern Warren County in south central Iowa, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Indianola, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Indianola, Melford, Dallas, Milo, Lacona, Aqua, and Sandyville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Marion and Warren,